Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop cake. First, ensure your cake is completely cooled before crumbling it into fine pieces. Next, gradually add frosting to the cake crumbs, mixing until the mixture holds together when pressed. This forms the base for your delicious cake pops. Once your cake mixture is ready, roll it into smooth, uniform balls. Dip the tip of each lollipop stick into melted chocolate or candy melts before inserting it into the cake ball. This helps secure the stick. Then, place your cake pops in the refrigerator to chill thoroughly. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet treats. And on another note, imagine reading new dessert recipes anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for finding your next baking adventure. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, decorating. Melt your chosen candy melts or chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl. Dip each chilled cake pop into the melted coating, ensuring it's fully covered. Gently tap off any excess. Before the coating sets, add your favorite sprinkles or edible decorations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.